नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी प्राध्यापक प्रशांत ठाकूर. मित्रांनो, आज आपण बायोलॉजीच्या पहिल्या चॅप्टरमधील अतिशय महत्त्वाच्या टॉपिकचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. आजचा टॉपिक आहे डबल फर्टिलायझेशन इन अँजिओस्पर्म ऑर फ्लॉवरिंग प्लांट. मित्रांनो, या टॉपिकवर बोर्ड एक्झाममध्ये तसेच नीट एक्झाममध्ये हमखास क्वेश्चन विचारलेले असतात. आज आपण अतिशय साध्या आणि सोप्या पद्धतीने डबल फर्टिलायझेशन अँड पोस्ट फर्टिलायझेशन चेंजेस या कॉम्प्लेक्स मेकॅनिझमचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. चला तर मग सुरू करूया. मित्रांनो, पुढील मेकॅनिझम शिकण्याआधी आपण काही गोष्टी किंवा काही इव्हेंट्स रिकॉल करूया. जसे की स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन अँड मेल गॅमेटोफाइट, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मॅच्युअर ॲनाट्रोपस ओव्ह्यूल, आणि व्हॉट इज पॉलिनेशन, व्हॉट इज फर्टिलायझेशन. मित्रांनो, या स्लाइडमध्ये स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन अँड मेल गॅमेटोफाइट याची आपल्याला फिगर पाहायला मिळते आहे. तर यामध्ये ईच पोलन ग्रेन इज युनिसेल्युलर, युनिन्यूक्लिएट, स्पेरिकल or oval haploid structure produced in anther. It is with a double layer wall called sporoder. The outer layer is exine and inner layer is called intine. In second figure, two cell pollen grain shows smaller generative cell has larger nucleus and the larger tube cell has smaller tube nucleus. In the angiosperm, pollen grains are released at two cell stage after dehiscence of anther. Further development of male gametophyte is occur after pollination on stigma. Next, structure of mature anatropous ovule. मित्रांनो, ओव्हिलचे स्ट्रक्चर समजून घेणे फार महत्त्वाचे आहे, कारण पुढील डबल फर्टिलायझेशनचे सर्व इव्हेंट्स हे ओव्हिलमध्येच होणार आहेत. ए मॅच्युअर ॲनाट्रोपस ओव्हिल शोज एम्ब्रियो सॅक विथ 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड 7 सेल्ड फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइट. यामध्ये मायक्रोबायलर एंडला 2 सिनर्जिड आणि एक सेल दिसते. तर चॅलाझल एंडला 3 अँटीपोडल सेल्स आहेत आणि लार्ज सेंट्रल सेलमध्ये 2 पोलर न्यूक्लियाय आहेत. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला एकूणच 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड अँड 7 सेल फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइट पाहायला मिळतोय. नाव वी विल सी व्हॉट इज पॉलिनेशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रान्सफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन्स from anther to stigma of flower is called as pollination. Pollination is an essential and initial step of fertilization process in angiosperm. Both male gamete and female gamete are non-motile. They produce at two different sites. For successful pollination uses different mechanism of pollination, and flower shows various adaptations. Next slide. Next is what is fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of male gamete with female gamete to form diploid zygote. त्यानंतर मित्रांनो, आता आपण बघूया व्हॉट इज डबल फर्टिलायझेशन. ऑल एंजिओस्पर्म्स आर कॅरेक्टराइज्ड बाय ए युनिक प्रोसेस कॉल्ड डबल फर्टिलायझेशन. इट वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय S.G. Navaschin in Lilium and Fritillaria plants. Okay, the fusion of one male gamete with egg and that of another male gamete with secondary nucleus is called double fertilization. Means here two male gametes participate in fertilization. 2 times fertilization is to be occur. Okay. After pollination, pollen grains germinates on stigma to form a pollen tube which penetrates the stigma, style, ovary chamber and then enters in ovule. The growth of pollen tube is guided by the chemical secreted by the synergids, and filiform apparatus of synergids attracts the pollen tube towards egg apparatus. Here figure showing next. In this figure, entry of pollen tube into the ovule. There are 3 ways by which pollen tube enter into the ovule. So here 3 terms are arises according to entry of pollen tube into the ovule in different plants. First is porogamy. If pollen tube enters ovule through the pore or small natural opening of ovule, that is micropyle, the term is called porogamy. Second, chalazogamy. In some plants, pollen tube enter through chalaza. It is called chalazogamy. Third, mesogamy. In some plant, pollen tube enter by piercing the integuments called as mesogamy. Irrespective of the place of entry into the ovule, a pollen tube always enters the embryo sac near the egg apparatus. Now, next process of double fertilization. The pollen tube carrying male gametes penetrates in one of the synergids. Watery content of synergid are absorbed by pollen tube, which then rupture and release the 2 non-motile male gametes. The tube nucleus degenerates by this time. As non-motile male gametes are carried through hollow pollen tube, it is known as siphonogamy. That ensures fertilization to takes place. Now, syngamy and triple fusion are 2 events of sexual reproduction in angiospermic flowering plant. First event, syngamy or first fertilization. In this fusion of one haploid male gametes with haploid female gametes, that is egg, to produce a diploid zygote. Syngamy is a type of generative fertilization. Second event, triple fusion or second fertilization. The other second haploid male gametes fuses with diploid secondary nucleus to form the triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is PEN. This is called triple fusion. This triple fusion is a type of vegetative fertilization. Here both the male gametes participate and therefore it is called as double fertilization. Now, what is significance of double fertilization? It is a unique feature of angiosperm as it ensures that seed is with a food store only if egg is fertilized. Second, the diploid zygote develops into an embryo. Embryo develops into viable dormant seed, which consequently develop into a new plant. Third, the triploid PEN, primary endosperm nucleus, develops into nutritive endosperm tissue. Next, it restores diploid condition by fusion of haploid male gamete with haploid female gamete, that is through syngamy. And last significance is it also avoid polyembryony. Okay, thank you.